Hi, my name is Nicole Bauman. I graduated from Millersville in 2018 with a bachelor's in early childhood education and minor in integrative STEM. Since graduating, I have been working at Ephrata Area School District, and I'm currently teaching kindergarten. I've also taught third grade. I am currently working towards my master's in assessment, curriculum, and teaching with a concentration in integrative STEM. The three main things I would like to learn or take away from this course. The first one being I hope to learn new and creative assessment techniques. I would also like to learn how to create meaningful assessments for my students, which assessments are the best and which ones will leave a lasting impression on my learners. The last thing is how best to apply technology with younger learners. Being a kindergarten teacher, we are very short on time and don't use technology very often in our classroom, which I think has its benefits. But I also know that in today's society, technology is taking off and is necessary. So I'd like to learn how best to apply technology with my younger learners, but also make sure that I'm not using technology as the main source of learning. I am really looking forward to this course and getting to work with you all. Thanks.